The Gagliardi Trophy is often referred to as the Division III Heisman. To me, it's an even more prestigious and meaningful award than the Heisman because in addition to looking at an individual's athletic achievements, the Gagliardi Trophy takes into account intellectual accomplishment, character, and campus citizenship. And with all due respect to others, I can think of no individual who better affirms those values than Monmouth College's Matt Barnes.
When we got Matt, I knew we got a big-time player. His nickname coming in was the Chosen One. You know, a lot of the upperclassmen called him the Chosen One because they knew that he was going to be one of our next great linebackers. And first year, he was just kind of a scout team guy. He was a backup, got a little bit of playing time, and then his second year, his sophomore year, is where he really began to excel. And then from then on, you know, his career quickly accelerated into becoming the All-American that he is today.
When I think of a Renaissance man, I think of somebody who really makes an effort to know a lot about a lot of different things and to explore the world in a lot of different ways and to at least try to be good at a lot of different things. And Matt has not only tried, but he's been successful at being good at a lot of different things and really opened himself up to knowing a lot about the world in a lot of different areas.
Matt wants to excel in every area of life that he's in. You know, he excels in the classroom, he excels on the football field, and then he excels, you know, in his community service, you know, in this community for sure.
Matt is going to leave a wonderful legacy on the Monmouth College campus. Certainly he's been an outstanding football player, and just the excitement and the accomplishment that he's demonstrated as a defensive leader of our football team will live for a long time. But as important and exciting as all that is, what's going to be even more meaningful is the standard that he has set in the classroom. He is one of our strongest students, is a leader in the classroom, sets a higher standard for his peers. And also in his work as a campus citizen, he is positive, he's affirming to other people, he contributes in a variety of activities. We're going to point to Matt Barnes for a long, long time as an example of what it means to be a Monmouth College Noble Scot.